Alrighty guys, it's a little cold. Actually it's pretty cold. And a little bit breezy. But nonetheless, I'm going to take the Hawk Sky up. I've reinforced it. So hopefully nothing should go wrong. Let's check the surfaces. Alright, all surfaces are working. Quiet. Other than that, we should be golden. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. We might not be flying today. That's a heck of a lot of wind to deal with. That's a lot of wind. I'm debating taking this up now. Well, let's hope one of these don't hit us mid-flight. Oh boy. Alright then, well, here goes nothing. canopy took some flight. Camera's still on though, it's on and secure. Let's check let's move the plane and check our control surfaces. Bit of a rough landing, to say the least. It's squishy. The earth is squishy. Alrighty. Everything works perfectly. Right then. Should be able to put this right back on and take off. Just check for any bruises.
I don't think your motor can get through.
Alright, push the wings back together. Alright. Motor's still working. And left is left, right is right, up is up, down is down. So then, let's give this a shot. Alrighty. Let's see, wind's going that way, you want to take off over there. I hate the sun. Keeps me warm, but I can't see a darn thing. Alrighty, let's wait for that wind to die down. Alright, should be good to go. Whoa, that was a wind and a half. Alrighty. This is taking it everywhere. Come on, wind, die down. I can't take off with these winds. Flying is a different story. I have enough room, but when you've got 4 feet of ground clearance, this isn't gonna work. Come on. That's a large wind. I'm kind of glad I'm not up there right now. So let's see, if we take off this way, we want to land with the wind. Crap. Don't take my plane out of my hands. Yeah, this could be a bad idea. Come on, that wind, go away. Alright, let's call it like this and that wind hits, it's taking it. So let's see, wind's blowing right at my face. So really, yeah, so it's starting to lift. So it should be a good landing place. It's nice and smooth and flat. So as soon as this gust dies down, we'll go ahead and take off. Alright, so let's see here. Got plenty of room to fly. I just can't see for the stupid sun. The stupid sun. Alright. That's plenty of room to fly. Wind's still picking up though. Come on. Alrighty. Let's do this thing. Oh no, wait a minute. Darn it, every time I get ready to launch, the wind picks back up. Let's make sure we got everything good to go, because this is going to be quite a large amount of stress on the wings. They're good and pushed in. Everything else is good to go. Wind died down, so let's go. tremendous for the wind that was here. That is a darn good landing. I will see you guys some other day because it's way too windy for someone of my skill to be flying out here. So I will see you guys later.